meron pong report yung Legal and Prosecution Service ko noong December 26, 2012 na sinabi, ni-report po sa akin through a memo dated December 26, 2012 na si Agent Morales turned witness for the accused and testified that there was no actual buy-bust operation by PIDEA agents against Albert Chua and Wen Miao. Mr. Morales further said that the contents of his affidavit were false because the evidence were fabricated and the evidence planted. This is in connection with the criminal case 16939 of the Regional Trial Court, Branch 43, San Fernando, Pampanga, for violation of Section 5, Article 2, and Article 26 of the Revised Penal Code, RA 9165, Your Honor.
Sir, klaruhin ko.
I beg your pardon.
Klaruhin ko, ibig sabihin from arresting officer, completely nag-turn around siya 180 degrees
Opo, Mr. Chair.
against his operation.
Yes, Your Honor. Kaya ako po'y namangha eh. Ang tagal ko po sa serbisyo, noon lang ho ako nakaranas ng ganun. Samantalang yung mga ahente po natin na hindi nag-a-appear sa korte at nadidismiss ang kaso, kinakasuhan na po namin kaagad. Kasi po may mga case monitor po kami sa bawat drug court. Ito po ay inumpisa nung panahon ni General Junicio.
Sir, pause muna tayo sandali.
Opo.
Morales, kindly respond to that.
Mr. Chairman,
180 degrees
totoo po yung
around.
sinasabi ni ni Gerald Kakdak. Ganito po yun. Yung nabanggit niya kanina na nag-file kami ng kaso sa PIDEA IAS together with two other agents. Sinabi po namin yung irregularities na nangyayari doon sa PIDEA.
While certain claims were made, documentary evidence is yet to be presented. There were no pictures, no corroborating testimonies. In other words, this was solely based on the testimony of one person based on what appears to be hearsay evidence.